If you're wanting to know of some of the most economical printers on the market in 2023, then stay tuned because today that's what we're going to be talking about. Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer video, and today I wanted to talk to you about what are the 3 most economical printers in 2023. If you have a very low budget and you don't really want to spend much on a printer, these printers are going to be the absolute best recommendations I can give to you in 2023. Now, if you're new to the channel, welcome. Everything printer related is what you're going to find on this channel. If this video ends up being helpful, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below, and if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Also, the sponsor of this video is my very own product, the Best Printers Cleaning Kit. If you're not able to print a certain color, or your prints are faded, or you just have an overall and general print quality issue, you're going to want to consider using this product. There's going to be a link for it down in the description below. There are also a ton of videos on my channel showing you how to use this product on various different printer models. You can also use my website linked down below, bestprinterstech.com, for additional support when it comes to fixing your printer. I wanted to start with the most expensive printer on this list and then work my way down to the lowest price. And I am going to be covering the big 3 brands, Epson, HP, and Canon. And so that way you get a variety of different printers. Now, these printers are going to have lower capabilities than most printers. And some of them are more surprising than what you would expect for the price. But I'm here to give you the most economical printers that I would recommend. There are some printers that are not recommended to get. They're just so difficult to work with. They don't have hardly any features. But these printers stood out to me as printers that are going to be able to do at least the bare minimum. And that's most likely what you're looking for. So the very first printer I have to recommend to you is the Epson Workforce 3820. This printer comes in at $100 without tax, of course. But what you get is you get a color touchscreen, you get an automatic document feeder on the top, you get a glass scanner, you have a USB port, you have a good capacity of 250 sheets of paper. So for the money that you're paying, this is probably the best value where you're going to pay a low price and you're going to get the absolute maximum. There are some printers that go up into the $300 and $400 range and they don't even have a touchscreen. The capacity for plain paper is 100 sheets of paper. They don't have an automatic document feeder. This printer has very good value, and so that's why it's my #1 pick. It's also the highest price on this list. Now, there are going to be links. There's a link for this printer down below, and there's going to be links for the next 2 printers I'm going to be talking about down in the description below. For your convenience, you can actually go through there, make a purchase. That does drastically help support this channel. So the next printer that I'm going to be recommending is the HP Envy 6055E. Priced at $90. $10 under the previous printer. You don't have an automatic document feeder. You don't have even a screen on it. You really would have to rely on using your phone. But this is one of the lower priced HP printers that I would recommend because it's an HP Envy. The ink system, the print head is made as such that you're not going to have major issues with it over the long term. The HP Envy models have always been some of my favorites. So really, you would heavily rely on using your smartphone to be able to use this printer. You would be able to do mobile prints. You can still print photos and everything like that. And you do have a glass scanner, so you're not totally out with capability, but it's going to be a lot less than, let's say, the Epson that we just spoke about. All right, and our last printer we're going to be talking about comes in at $60. Was $79.99, but right now as I shoot this video also, these prices are subject to change because with time, prices fluctuate. So you might be watching this video a year from now or 6 months from now, and these prices may have changed. Hopefully not though, because this is a very good price. The one thing about this printer is you have the absolute bare bones, minimal printing, and there's no scanning here. There's no additional features. There's very, very little capacity with paper, but it's overall going to get the basic work done that you need. If you don't need all of that stuff, if you don't need a scanner, if you don't need any of that capability, then you can just go with this Canon Pixma TS3520. You'll spend hardly any money and you will get the absolute necessities when it comes to a printer. All right, so I really hope that this video ended up being helpful. If it was, Please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below, and if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. But that's really all I have for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.